If we don't know anything else, we know that life be life. Stuff come at us from every angle, and when I say us, because we all have it, it's called stress. In today's video, we're going to talk about the different stressors, how they impact your life, and then strategies on how to take care of those stressors, because one thing we do know is that they are going to come. All right, let's get it. So imagine stress as a backpack that we have as we go throughout life in this journey. And at different points, different stressors can hold various weights. So that backpack, it ebbs and flows with the weight depending on where you're at in life. So the first thing we're going to talk about is acute stress. Acute stress is just immediately in the moment, and it could be like a couple of books added to that backpack of life, right? It's in the moment, it's a little heavier, but it's manageable. You can do it. A great example is track and field. I'm an avid track fan. And when that runner gets up to the starting blocks, all kind of butterflies and bubble guts come up, and that's needed because it's adrenaline rush and it's going to get them through that moment. But after that race is over, it comes down, it goes level, and it's manageable. That would be acute stress. Now, if you find yourself with acute stress and you want to talk to your professional about it, during that session, you may want to talk about stress management skills as well as coping skills. That's a great place to start. Now, if there's something I said that you can identify with, but even if not you, your brother, cousin, sister, friend do, go ahead and share it, like it, comment